So, my name is Jay from PFG Detailing. I'm going to show you how to clean that steering wheel. You need CarPro inside, a scrubbing pad and a fresh microfiber. All you do is spray onto the scrub pad, just gently go over the leather. If your steering wheel is shiny, that means that it's someone else's or yours, depending how old the car is, dirt and grease, sweat, call it whatever you will, that needs to come off. So, this is a new microfiber. Let's see what it's like. There we go. That's how you clean your steering wheel. Easy.